In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Beehiiv website builder step by step so you can create and customize your site with confidence, even if you're brand new to the platform. Beehiiv makes it really easy to build a clean, professional looking website for your newsletter, your brand, or your audience. And the best part is that most of the editing happens visually, so you can see your changes as you make them. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Website, then select Builder. This will take you into the Beehiiv website builder where you can start editing your site. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to look through the sidebar carefully because this is where all of your website controls will be. After the builder opens, the first thing you'll want to do is choose your font theme. Your font theme helps set the overall style and feel of your website, so this is a good place to start before editing anything else. Pick a font style that matches your brand and the type of content you create. A clean font works well for a modern newsletter, while a more editorial style may work better if you want a more polished look. Now move to the center canvas. This is where you'll visually edit your website. The center canvas shows your page in a live layout, which makes it easier to see exactly how your site will look to visitors. You can click directly into elements on the page and start adjusting your content without needing to deal with complicated code. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Beehiiv's builder, because it gives you a simple drag and edit style workflow. To add new content, look for the plus button on the left side, which is the Insert Element button. When you click it, you'll see different blocks you can add to your site, including sections, text, images, buttons, forms, and other elements. This lets you build out your page piece by piece. For example, if you want a strong call to action, you can add a button. If you want to explain what your newsletter is about, you can add text. If you want to showcase visuals, you can insert images. Once you add an element, click on it to edit the content. This is where you can type in your text, update headlines, change button labels, or replace placeholder content with your own branding. Take your time here and make sure each part of the page supports your goal. If you're building a home page, keep the messaging clear and concise. If you're building an about page, use this space to tell visitors who you are and why they should subscribe. Next, use the design panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can fine-tune the look of your website. You can customize colors, spacing, fonts, and layouts so your page feels consistent with your brand. If something looks too crowded, adjust the spacing. If a section feels too plain, change the color or layout. These small design changes can make a big difference in how professional your site looks. As you continue building, open Pages from the left menu. This is where you manage all the pages on your website. You can review the pages you already have, organize your site structure, and keep everything easy to navigate. If you want to create a new page, click Add Page. From there, you can build a custom page for anything you need, such as a welcome page, an about page, a resources page, or a landing page for a specific campaign. This is especially useful if you want your Beehiiv website to do more than just host your newsletter. You can create multiple pages to support your content strategy, improve navigation, and give visitors a better overall experience. A well-structured site can help turn casual visitors into subscribers. After you've made your changes, always save your work. Saving is the final step that makes sure none of your edits are lost. Before you finish, take one last look through your page to check your layout, your text, and your buttons. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to look on the live website. And that's it. You now know how to use the Beehiiv website builder, how to edit your site visually, how to add elements, how to customize the design, and how to manage your pages. Once you get comfortable with the builder, you can move quickly and create a polished website without any stress. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials and other step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.